Hi, Tom here with this week's Circle Line Art School video. Today I'll show you one way to draw a room using two-point perspective. Two-point perspective has two vanishing points on a horizontal line, the horizon line, and we can use these two vanishing points to work out how the receding parallel lines in the drawing can be drawn to give a sense of depth. The first step in this drawing is to draw the horizontal line, a soft guideline across the middle of your page. Next, choose where to place the two vanishing points on this line. It's best to make them quite far apart. Next, draw a vertical line in the middle of your page. This vertical line needs to cross the horizon line at right angles, and this vertical line will represent the vertical corner of the room that we are drawing. Now, using the left vanishing point, draw a diagonal line from the base of the vertical line that goes to the right, and then draw another line from the left vanishing point to the top of the vertical line and continuing going to the right. Next, we can repeat this same technique of using two-point perspective, but this time using our right vanishing point as a guide, and the lines go to the left from the top and the base of the vertical corner of the room. So that is it. We have a room in two-point perspective. Maybe it doesn't look much at this stage, but this is a room in two-point perspective, at least the corner of a room, using two-point perspective. And because we've got the two vanishing points on the horizon, we can add things to this room using the same technique of two-point perspective. For the rest of the drawing, we can use our two vanishing points as a guide for all of the receding perspective lines. But the vertical lines in this drawing will stay vertical because we're using two-point perspective. So if you'd like to follow along with the rest of the drawing, I'll show you how to draw all the lines that I draw. I hope you find this drawing useful for your own drawings. And if you like, please like and comment. Thank you for your support. Please consider visiting my website, circlelineartschool.com, to find out more details about my online drawing courses for beginners. I hope you found this video useful for your own drawings. I post a new drawing video every week on YouTube, and I also have a website, circlelineartschool.com, where you can find out more details about my online drawing courses for beginners. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.